Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download the Wells Fargo app for card and account alerts, detailed guide step by step clearly. To download the Wells Fargo app for card and account alerts, start by unlocking your smartphone. Open the App Store on your device. If you have an iPhone, tap on the App Store icon. For Android devices, locate and open the Google Play Store. In the App Store's search bar, type Wells Fargo. Press search to find the app. Look for the official Wells Fargo app in the search results. It will have the Wells Fargo logo and state that it's developed by Wells Fargo Bank. Tap on the app to view its details. Check the app ratings and reviews for quality assurance. Once you confirm it's the right app, tap the download or install button. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Open the Wells Fargo app after installation is complete. You may need to log in with your Wells Fargo account credentials. If you don't have an account, follow the instructions to create one. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings menu within the app. Look for the Alerts section to manage your card and account alerts. You can choose to enable notifications for various transactions and account activities. Configure the settings to your preference for optimal monitoring. Finally, ensure that notifications are allowed for the Wells Fargo app in your device's settings. With these steps, you will successfully download the Wells Fargo app for card and account alerts. Enjoy the convenience and security of managing your finances on the go. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.